What's going on, guys? Today we're at my father-in-law's house and we're gonna work on the 2001 Durango. See, we're going to replace the upper control arm because it is dumping and hitting and banging on everything. That guy right there. And looks like we got a little bit of leaking up there too. We'll check that out. But yeah, we're gonna knock this one out real quick and we'll see. I'll get back to you guys in a second. Well, first, remove your lug nuts. One, two, alright, now we're gonna jack the car up. Make sure you have jack stands because you don't want to crush your head. Let's see, find a good jacking point. Alright, that's alright. Okay, we're going to jack it up as much as you can. All the way as high as you can get it. Try to get that wheel off the ground. There we go. Now, we get under here with our handy dandy jack. Alright, guys. Alright, so here's the progress. This is the spindle. We'll remove the brake line brackets that were right there. It just comes right over this and balls up. This is the upper ball joint. And it goes right in here in the spindle. So, see, look, like that. Anyways, this is a pain to get off. I recommend if you are getting a brand new control arm that has a brand new ball joint in it already, use this thing. Any auto parts store, it's $10. It slips right in between there, and you just bang it on there, bam, and it'll separate the two. See, it goes like that until it pops it open. You can do that, or you could just get yourself a big old hammer and just give it a couple whacks. Once the bolt's out, just smack it. Don't hit the brake line. Just smack it right there. Pop, 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 a whole bunch of times, and it'll pop right off. But that's like the most common way that everybody does it. But it's kind of tough if you don't have like a big hammer. So just get you one of those ball joint separators. I paid like $10 for mine, and that's it. So what we're doing now, this is the upper control arm. There's two bolts right up here. That one and that one. And we're going to take those off, and then the whole thing just comes right off. So, yeah. I'll be back whenever I'm installing everything again. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, guys. This is the new part. New control arm. It's not that hard to install. As you can see, there's two things right here. The mounting things where it goes back there. And there's two bolts right here. These two. So it just drops right on like that. Let's see if I can do this with the camera in hand. It's a little tough, so bear with me. Just recording on my phone right now. Let's see. Get that one right there. That one's on. Now we'll do the other one. Okay. Alright, so they're on there on the bolts. See? And now, you just bolt it back in, bolt your ball joint back in, and you're gravy. So, I don't have a tripod, guys, so I'm doing this piece by piece. But the only thing that's a little different, on the other one, it had rivets, and this one has bolts. So, it might be a little bit of an issue when we go to install the brake line, when we go to set the brake line back on. But we'll figure that out in a minute. We might have to bend something or adjust something a little. But yeah, let me put it back together, and then I'll get back to you with the final thing. Bye.